So I made a video a couple days ago about how we're not getting the Surface Duo update for the 1 and 2 for March. And to be honest, I really didn't think we were going to. So literally the 31st of March, and we're finally getting the update. God! Microsoft! So yes, we're finally getting this update on the 31st of March. This does not explain how much that video was correct when it comes to Microsoft just done with the Surface Duo 1 and 2. I don't think this is any doubt in anyone's mind now how done they actually are. Because they released this update, I feel like, because everybody got upset that they did not release the update. So they eventually just said, you know what, whatever, we'll do it, we'll release the update. Just stop complaining, stop getting mad, we'll do it. And they did it. So, what's the update? Well, the Duo 1 and the Duo 2, both of them got the software versions updated. Both of them have addressed scenarios outlined in the security bulletin. The update does not require additional steps before installation, and no bugs in this update. That's it. That's absolutely it. And actually, it's funny, so the website says you can snag the Surface Duo for $399 or $499. It's funny because, you know, back like a couple months ago, it was actually $250. It actually went, it almost doubled the price since a couple months ago. That's because at this point, like, the stock of the Surface Duo 1 and 2 are just running out. So there's not really much more, you know, to talk about when it comes to the stock. So because of that, the price is going up a tad bit. The Duo 2 is like anywhere from on eBay $800 all the way up to like $1,200, $1,300. Brand new, the Surface Duo 2 right now sells for like $2,000. Kind of crazy at this point, but it is what it is, man. Like I said before, this is just a pity thing they put out of, listen, people got upset, people got mad because we didn't release the Surface Duo 1 and 2 update for March. You know, we're pretty much done with this whole phone, but because people got upset, we'll release a bullcrap, you know, bulletin security update that we do every single week just to get it, you know, just to get people happy. And again, like I said, I mean, I'd rather just really get nothing than get this, personally speaking, because this isn't really an update. This is just really a kind of a cop-out, just saying, hey, listen, we did something. Which, again, like I said, there's just no point. There really is just no point to give us, you know, any update at this point. Unless you're going to give us an update, an actual update, there's no reason to actually give us an update. But you know what? At least we got something. You know what they say, beggars can't be choosers, even though we're beggars that spent great money on, you know, on, what's it called? I almost said EA, oh my god. On Microsoft's product, yet they still aren't giving us exactly what we want / you know, deserve. But it is what it is. Guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.